those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Nicole Cheney. I'm coming live at you from Ontario, Canada. So, this video I'm going to be cooking as Spider-Man. Or I guess Spider-Woman, because I'm a woman. Huh? Look at that. Isn't that cool? That's pretty damn cool. Okay. So, this is day 2 of Halloween makeup. I'm going to be doing 31 days straight of different Halloween makeup. So, you're going to see me doing different videos, dress up as other, like, different things. Which is really cool, right? Yesterday I was like this wooden fairy. Today I am Spider-Man. But we are going to be making some bacon wrapped cabbage wedges. Yeah, baby, yeah. Okay, so if that interests you, definitely stay tuned, okay? So when you pop on this live, you can drop me a 1. If you're watching the replay, you can drop me a 2. And if you're new to my crazy little show, you can put new in the comments. Hey, Jane, how's it going? Okay, so if you do enjoy what you're seeing, you can also hit my face. Go to the 3 little dots on the right-hand side. Hit follow. See first, and you'll never miss one of my videos, okay? But we're going to get started here by making this a bacon wrapped cabbage rolls, okay? So, I'm just getting knives and everything out of the way. And I'm going to get this all situated, okay? So, first thing first, in a bowl, we're going to put a little bit of olive oil, okay? I'm going to put just a tad bit of olive oil in here, all right? Okay. Girls, can you go fight in the other room at least? Alright, and then we're going to put some Parmesan cheese in here, okay? And of course, the written recipe is actually above, okay? So don't you worry. I'm going to do the other side. So don't you worry about missing anything as what I'm saying as it goes. It's above, okay? The spices I'm going to be using is Italian spice, okay? And then I'm going to put a little bit of garlic spice, because that's what we like, okay? The original recipe said it was oregano, and I was like, that's just too boring for us. So, I'm just going to grab a spoon. But that is what we like. We like we love Italian spice and garlic spice, okay? So, I'm just going to mix that a little bit together here, okay? And what this does is it makes almost like a cheesy taste with the oil and the spices. Okay. Alright. Now I'm going to angle you guys down. So you won't be able to see my gorgeous makeup on it. Well, but you know what? Let's angle you guys down a little bit. There you go. Now you can see what I'm doing. So those are the cabbage wedges right there. Okay, so these are the cabbage wedges. This is the bowl of gorgeousness. And then I have my bacon here. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to move the bowl out of the way. We're going to put a piece of bacon down. Okay. Piece of bacon down. Okay, putting the bacon down. And I will, you know what? If I just move this way, you guys can see what I'm doing. There you go. You can kind of see what I'm doing. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to put some of this down, because look at that. That looks like, where's the... I'm trying to figure out where my actual, I think that's my camera right there. So it looks pretty good, right? It looks pretty darn good, right? What about your pants, honey? Your pants. And you're just going to... Am I back? Lost me there for a second, didn't you? You lost me there. Don't worry. We're still putting some of the Parmesan on, okay? And what you're going to do is you're going to grab one of these wedges, okay, of the cabbage. There we go, cauliflower. You can do this with cauliflower too, just so you're aware, okay? And you're just going to roll the cabbage with the bacon, okay? Okay. We're rolling. And you wrap it up just like that. Okay, I'm not the perfect person to do wrapping of bacon. I'm not. Okay, so okay, and then you put the bacon around it. Okay, so it's nice and wrapped. All right, and then we're just gonna stick it on the tray over here. All right. All right. And then we're going to keep doing that with all the other pieces until my cabbage is gone. So this is a really quick, easy, simple meal. Super easy to do if you want to do it. So easy, okay? So super easy. My girls love this. My husband loves this. This is one of the family favorites is this bacon wrapped cheesy cabbage. It's like really cheesy and gooey when you get it out of the oven too, okay? So the oven is right now, it's not preheated anymore, but it's heated actually to 350 degrees, okay? And then you cook it for just ripping this bacon. You cook it for 30 minutes, okay? And then you have yourself some bacon wrapped cabbage. So the cabbage will be nice and crisp by that time. And that's what you want. You want nice crisp cabbage. That makes sense, okay? Alright, so I'm going to keep doing this. What I'm going to do after this video is definitely, I'm going to put what came out of the oven, obviously, down here so you guys can see just the crispiness of it. Because that's what you're wanting. You want nice and crispy. Nice and crispy, okay? So the recipe above does say toss the cabbage in the cheese mixture. What I have found, the cabbage falls apart when you do that. So that's why I spread it onto the bacon. Okay, so that's my little tip there for you. A little tip there. Also, with the link above, you can actually get a 30-day free keto meal plan. So if you love keto, it's free up there. It comes with all the recipes and everything on that link as well. You need to listen. My girls are not behaving themselves. They're not behaving themselves. So I'm going to keep doing this. If you guys enjoyed this video, please feel free to share. Like I said, this is only day 2. I got of 31 of different Halloween makeups as I'm cooking, doing my keto stuff. It's going to be awesome. I got like some pretty good makeup ideas because this is like face paint, eh? It's going great. Hello, Angel. How's your day going? How's your day going? Nice of you to catch me live. Okay, so I'm basically done here. What this recipe does is gives you 8 wrapped cabbages, okay, and so you have enough for a family of 4. If anyone's trying to get like eyeball how many it serves. That's how many it serves. There we go. There we go. Okay. Finally got my talking stuff on. Okay. All right. So I'm going to leave you guys to it. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. And definitely, if you want to see more of this awesome look at that. Art did an amazing job. Okay, I was really worried about the spider, but I think I nailed it. I think I think I did. But if you want to see more of this, definitely hit follow or send this to a friend if you think this is going to be like hilarious, okay? Because I can be pretty funny. It's very unpredictable in these videos. It is. It's just very unpredictable. Like, hello, today I'm Spider-Man. Okay, but I am going to let you guys go. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Thank you all who have tuned in and shared it. I appreciate you so much, okay? Hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.